Hey guys, this is a 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500 Z71 5.3 rebuilt title. Had some damage on the front end. I've been driving it for about 9,000 miles. Drives great. Take a look and see everything looks like it should. Shell is removable if you don't want it. It does have the tow package, LTZ package. Extra wiper blade for it. No sunroof. No rear heated. There's a little dinger in that bumper, pretty minor. You know, a few little rock chips coming through. Not perfect. Here's the VIN number. This does have the Bose sound system, memory seats, tow package. 4-wheel drive. Start it up here for you. No lights on the dash, heated steering wheel, heated seats, foot adjust, lights in your bed, backup camera, garage door, tons of power. Again, rebuilt title. Did have some front end damage about 8,000 miles ago, all fixed up, drives great.